Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scatter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a giant Naruto surprise egg. This egg took us 6 hours to make, so give me a thumbs up if you like it. Can you guys name the 2 other members a part of Team 7? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Now let's take a closer look at Naruto. Check out his outfit, guys. It's his orange one. And here's his little whistle and his headband for the hidden leaf. And of course, his favorite move, the Rasengan! Let's start by taking off his arms. His arms, his whistle, his legs and body, the Rasengan in his arms, and his face. Look at all the toys, guys! I see Sick Bricks, Naruto, Adventure Time. This is awesome! Our first surprise is a WWE Erasees! And there's 9 of them to collect. Let's take a look at the checklist. Here's the first one. Let's open it up and put it together. We got Ryback, and he's wearing a leotard. He's super buff. Oh, his arm fell off. Let's put this back on. Raw, don't mess with me. I'm too buff. Here's our second Erasees. Awesome! We got Randy Orton. Hey, where's the other guy at? I'm right here! I'm the winner! Woohoo! And this is an Adventure Time blind tin, and it's a fin! You can even see his backpack. And here's some of the figures you can get. Let's check it out. Let's take a look at the box. See his arms? Oh, and a sword and his backpack. Cool. No way! We got a Finn, guys! And isn't he awesome? Ooh, where's his sword though? Hey Finn, how are you gonna fight evil without a sword? With my fist! Let me go find Jake. See ya! Awesome! We got a Naruto figure. Here's Naruto. And here are some of the other figures we can get. Sasuke, Sakura, and Gaara, Kakashi. Cool. He looks so cool. His hair is super spiky. And here's his headband with the hidden leaf mark. And his arms are super big. Probably for Rasengan. This is awesome. He has a little pocket. Can you guys tell me the first Jetsu that Naruto learned? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Rasengan! We got a Hot Wheels mystery model, and it comes with a car and a sticker. And on the back, it shows you there's 12 to collect. Let's check it out. Nice! We got the Daedra too, guys. and there's fire on the side, and it says Hot Wheels. And these are big old motor, and the seats in the back. Awesome. I wonder if this thing is fast. Cool. And here's the sticker it came with. We got a Minecraft minifigure blind box, series number 3, the Netherrack series. Here are some of the figures you can get, and here are some other ones. It's Wither Skeleton! He's all black, and he has a sword. Cool. Sweet! We got a Transformers blind bag, and there's 12 to collect, and they're called Tiny Titans. Here's the checklist that shows you all of the Tiny Titans. And we got Autobot Drift. He's so cool, guys. Check out his double sword, and he's swinging them so fast, there's like fire coming out of him. And he's all orange, and he looks like a samurai. This guy's awesome. Yay! We got a Zelda figure collection blind ball. Let's see which one we got. Here's a sheet that shows all of the figures you can get. Do you guys know who this is? Let's open the back and get a closer look. Whoa! The detail on her is awesome! She has a golden necklace, belt, and medal on her head, and her dress and hat is blue and purple. She looks so awesome, but also she looks kind of scared. If you guys know her name, put it in the comment section below. Woohoo! We got a DC Superheroes Mystery Mini made by Funko. And here are all of the figures you can get. This is so cool! We got the Green Martian, guys, and he's one of the main superheroes in the Justice League. Whoa, look at his cape and his little outfit. And his name is John. Hey John, how you doing? Hello. I want to help save the world. Let me go find some bad guys. They're over there. We got a Bakugan blind bag, and it comes with one dog tag and one sticker card. Let's take a sneak peek at the checklist. Here are the stickers we got, and we got Ingram and Shun. This is an awesome dog tag, and it's of Ingram. He's like an angel. He has wings, and he's all green, but he has claws. And on the back, it says Bakugan. Sweet! we got a Marvel's Collector's Keyring Series 1 blind bag. And these are all of the keyrings we can get. I wonder who these two are. It's Spider-Man! And he looks super cool! Of course he has his outfit on. It's red and blue and has a spider in front of it. Sling some web, Spidey! Let's count and see how many surprises we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mashems. I love these things. They're so fun to play with. Awesome! We got Donatello. He has a purple mask and a long stick. I think his tooth is broken. Weird. And here's his turtle shell, because he's a turtle. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Hey, stop messing with me, Toy Hunter. Hey, I gotta fight bad guys. Stop messing with me. Alright, I'll put you down. Our next surprise is a Sick Bricks blind bag. Let's look at the checklist. We got Finley Fish Sticker. Arr. I think he's called that because he has a little stick with pointy ends on it. And look, he has a hook in his mouth. What the heck? Hey Finley, cool goggles. Don't talk to me, guy. He was kind of mean, wasn't he? Let's see what else we got though. It's the Ultimate Spider-Man and Avengers Assemble surprise egg. This is so cool. Woohoo! We got Thor, guys. And he's smashing something. It looks like ice. And here's his outfit. Super cool armor, long cape, and his helmet with wings on it. This is a DC Comics Forever Evil's blind bag. And here are the figures we can get. Let's take a quick look at the checklist. We got Johnny Quick, and he's like the Flash, but he's a bad guy. Cool! I can tell he's different because of his goggles and his little hat he has on. The second figure we got is Owlman, and I'm sure he's like Batman, but a bad guy. Who are you calling a bad guy? You! Oh yeah, I am. Let me go find some money. And the last figure we got is Merlin, and he has a bow and arrow and a black hood. Pew pew pew. Ching ching ching. Pew. And we're down to our last surprise, guys. Let's check it out. Awesome! We got a Naruto wristband. Let's open it up and get a closer look. Can you guys help me name off all of the characters? Here's Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura, Gaara, Pain, his sister, Toby, Itachi, and do you guys know who this is? If you do, put his name in the comment section below. And we're all out of surprises, guys. Which one was your favorite? Mine was Naruto. He is definitely my favorite character on the show.